Alright, welcome back, y'all. We're getting ready to prep this wall here. We're doing Hardie. Normally one would take off this and just put plywood and tar paper, house wrap, for the moisture barrier. It's already got a moisture barrier behind it, and with the price of lumber these days, there's nothing wrong with this right here, this shiplap, so I'm going to use it for stability. I am going to fill in this spot here and down below here to bring it out so I have something to screw my Hardie to. So what I'm doing now is I'm going to put a 2x6 across the bottom and a 1/4 inch sheet of plywood here. That way it closes, makes this the same thickness as the Hardie.
You want to explain why that's there?
Because we replaced this window. Where this window used to gun this way, I called them prism windows. It served no purpose and it had gaps in it, so when we replaced this window, it's dirty now. This was the first one we did. So now, because I had the window comes down through here, I had to close this gap up, this hole. And I didn't have extra Hardie or extra shiplap to go back, so I just put a piece of plywood there. So now we're going to double stack the plywood and tear off the trim on that side. So the Hardie's 8-foot sheets, we're going to start up here is where the top of it's going to be. From that point to the peak will be cedar shake shingles.
Say that 5 times.
Yeah, that's a tongue twister. But we're going to come from here down to here with Hardie, like we did on the over here. This is what our end result will look like.
Sort of.
Right here, yes, except for this cedar shingles. Tongue twister. But what I have to do now is just do the prep work and fill in these gaps so I have something to screw the Hardie to at the bottom.
Which one?
See this? This is a board.
Mm-hmm.
See where those two are together?
Yeah.
You're going right to the edge of it. You on it?
Yeah.
You sure?
Well, it's not at the end. Hot enough for you?
Yep. Power off. Talk some more. Nope.
You're gonna have to take it down and cut some off though.
Hey, guess what? Hole's fine. Hole's good.
Looks like you need about what, an inch, half inch off the top?
Half inch off the top. It's on your side where the dust's falling. Yep. Oh, we're in there.
It should be there.
Honey.
And cut again.
Got it. I'm gonna step around. Yep, let me get down here. All right. Got it?
Push it over. Okay. Got it.
And that concludes the installation of the Hardie on this side of the house. Tommy is going to caulk along that top edge right there. The rest of that will be cedar shingles, cedar shakes, whatever you want to call it. We haven't done that part yet. We'll have to caulk all of this, all the screws and seams, caulk around the window, and then put the trim around the window, and then paint. What do we say at the end of the videos, honey?
Are we at the end?
What?
Are we at the end?
Yeah, we're gonna end it. What do we say at the end of the video?
The end. Wait a minute. I gotta catch my breath.
So thank you guys for watching.
Yes, I know. Thank you guys for watching. If you haven't, please like us and subscribe to our channel. Once again, wasn't for you guys, we wouldn't be here.